Hi and welcome to my new video. In this video I'm going to show you how I drew this tiger. It's easier than you think. At first I make the sketch. I use basic shapes for this, such as the circle in the head. After that I start filling in some shapes with colors and taking some warmer and cooler brown tones. Now it's time for details. I'm using a purple shade to complement the brown colors. Finally, I choose the color for the background and I'm drawing the whiskers of the tiger. I'm really happy with how this illustration turned out. Thanks for watching and let me know what you think of this video. And hopefully I see you next time.